How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great and thanks for asking me. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you for asking.
First of all,
So, first of
uh,
mm-hmm.
thank you for reaching out and I'm very excited to have you here. So thank you so much. So
Okay.
yeah, you
Mm.
we are meeting for the very first time. So shall we start with introduction first? So I would love
Sure,
to
sure.
know something about you. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. I would like to tell about me. My name is Rasu, and basically I belong to Bihar, but I live in Pondicherry. From here, I'm doing MCA, Master of Computer Application. It is my first year.
Okay, it is your first year.
Yes.
So may I introduce myself?
Sure, sure. I would like to know about you.
Okay, so as you know that my name is Kiran Sao. I'm from West Bengal. If
Mm.
I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors and now I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable
Okay.
boys. If I talk my
Okay.
hobbies, so interact, reading, cooking, and interact new people. These are my hobbies. That's all about me. So
Okay.
yeah,
Sure. Do you have YouTube channel? So when did you started that?
yeah, YouTube channel. I think 2.5 months back, I have
Mm.
started my YouTube channel.
Okay. So, what is your reason? What is your purpose to starting a YouTube channel? You would like to share about that?
Yeah, I definitely I would love to share my reason because firstly just used to uh, call on audio call but there was not that much improvement but my
Mm.
husband told me that to open your YouTube channel there is
Okay.
you can get partner to speak and you can improve yourself, so that's why I
Mm.
created my own channel and now I can see in my side that there is a huge improvement in my side. So this is the
Okay.
good opportunity
Mm.
for us
Mm.
to
Okay.
have a YouTube channel. So
Okay.
go
So
ahead.
after doing these kinds of activities, what do you feel? What kinds of improvement do you feel in yourself?
Yeah, firstly, we all goes. I mean, firstly, I think everyone goes through same way. Like everyone has a hesitation, fumble,
Mm.
get stuck.
Mm.
Everyone goes same way. Okay, but when we start our journey to speak,
Mm.
so that
Mm.
time we feel so many hesitation that how can I speak? Okay,
Yes.
when yeah, when you continue and when you are stick your goal that you have to speak anyhow, then definitely
Mm.
you try to speak and one day, I mean, it will take time. Everyone knows that learning English language is not a short term process, it's a long term, right? So that
Mm.
is the way now I'm working on my communication skill. I want to polish myself, and that's why I'm created my own channel. So that's going
Okay.
on.
Okay. So what kinds of activities are you doing to improve your communication skills?
What kinds of, yeah, I just,
Activities related.
yeah, sometime I watch conversational video and now after overcome my children's exam, then after I will start my reading and writing. And earlier now I'm reading little bit my kids book, not that much. I sometime
Oh,
I'm reading and that things I do. And now I'm
okay.
practicing with co-learner, sometime with advanced speaker, I mean someone who is better than me, just I try to connect with them. So that is my improvement now I can see in my side.
So every day are you taking session of this kind of things? Every
Yeah,
day
I
are you
try.
doing this?
Yeah, every day I try to take sessions.
Hmm.
Maybe sometime it's happen that I'm not able to take sessions, so I have to skip. Otherwise, I try to take every day session
Hmm.
because I want to improve myself. So that's why I try to take every single day.
Yes, I see that. I watched some video from your channel, and I see that before, what was your levels first video I saw, and after that I saw your last video. So I see that your confidence level is also compared to when I compare, then I see that your level is up to not I can say up to some extent your level is good, but that is so fantastic.
Yeah, improvement, it's you can say, because we are not I can say that we all are never be perfect, right?
Mhm.
We can improve ourselves, we can polish ourselves, but if we say that we are I am perfect, so there is no word for perfection, I think. So that is why I can improve myself every single day, and I just
Mhm.
trying to every single day that now I'm know this thing, and tomorrow I will learn another thing. That is way I can do, but I never try to be perfection, because perfection will never become, right? So that is my
Mhm.
thoughts.
Yeah, first time I
So
have
tell me
connected
about
with.
yourself. When did you started your journey? And you told me that you are basically from Bihar. Is it it?
Yes,
Is it?
yes, basically belong to it, yes.
Okay. So which
So
district do you belong?
in Bihar, I belong to Darbhanga.
Okay, Darbhanga. Yeah.
Do you
Very.
know? Have you heard about this?
Yeah, I have heard so many times.
Okay. So first time I've connected to talk
Yeah,
like this.
it
Other
is your first
before.
time conversation on
Yes,
video call.
yes. Yes.
All the best. Because
Thank you for
now
that.
you are very confident person. Not I'm not guess that you are feeling uh, nervous.
Sai.
Yeah,
Hmm,
you are very confident person, and yeah, you
no,
can
no.
say.
Yes, I am able to talk like when I talk to any person in audio. Then at that times I have more confidence. So I see that I have lots of word in my mind, but I'm not able to explain here. So, so when I will continue like that, so I can do that
Yeah,
because before
yeah, it's
connecting, I
all
was
about
thinking that.
practice.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah,
Because without practice, I can't do anything. So
yeah,
suppose that I want to achieve my points, then I will have to practice. Without practice, I, I never do that. So it
yeah,
is a language. It is not grammar things or theory things. So if I want to enhance this, then I will have to speak. So
yeah,
without speaking, not. But main reason is that sometimes I'm facing when I talk to face person, like I am good in when I talk to in phone or like audio call. So at that times I can explain many things. But when I go to in front of a teacher and for face, at that time sometimes I feel nervous like that. So that point I want to improve.
yeah. You have to work upon firstly, because initially when you start your conversation, then that time you feel nervous, but you try to message in your mind that I have to speak anyhow. Whatever I just want to, just try to speak. Maybe you make mistake that time, but you feel that
Ye-
I'm a confident person, I can speak. I am a confident person. These things you have to remind yourself. Then that things will help you to improve yourself, because everyone, I have already told you that everyone goes through same way,
Same way,
right?
yes.
I am a person who is totally, I am in if I talk myself, I was a very simple and shy person. I never try to speak even Hindi in front of uh, stranger. But now
Mm-hmm.
I can say that my time has changed me totally. I have
Mm-hmm.
I had to face so many difficulties in my past, so that things totally changed me. So now I'm able to speak, and now I'm able to speak in front of you and so many person I can speak. So that is the way you have to. You have to make yourself strong, stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Then after you will be a confident person.
Yes.
Yeah.
So may I know about your, like I should have to ask about this thing or not? I don't know, but I would like to ask about what is your qualification? Have you completed like uh, any degree or
Yeah,
So I would like to know about that.
yeah. I have already, I
If you are
think,
interested,
mentioned. Yeah, I
if you are
have.
interested, that you can give answer. Otherwise, you can skip as you wish.
No, no. It's okay. I can. I would love to share my qualification that I
Mhm.
have completed my BCom honors. I
Okay.
did my class 1 to 12.
Mhm.
I did my class to 12 in Hindi version. Okay. Then after,
Okay.
because of West Bengal, I had to give my, I had to take my graduation only in English version because it's a Bengali culture and there is only Bengali and English. Both
Mhm.
two things are available in West Bengal. And I am basically I belongs to Bihar, so
Okay.
that's why,
In
yeah.
Bihar,
But I never
in
stay there.
okay. So
I
in
raised
Bihar,
in West
which
Bengal.
place do you belong? So in Bihar, which place do you
Yeah,
belong?
Jamui district, I think.
Oh yeah, I know Jammu. Like it is like situated nearby. I think Navada, Nalanda, like that. Maybe am
Yeah,
I
yeah.
right? Okay.
Jamui,
So
Jhaja, I know. Yeah.
okay, okay. So have you completed your study from Bihar or West
No,
Bengal?
no, no. I raised in West Bengal since my child.
Okay, your family is living there.
Yeah, my grandparents used to live there. Then after
Mm.
my father came here, and the
Okay,
and we are all family living in West Bengal, like my in-laws family and my parental family.
okay.
Um, yeah,
So tell me, hello. So tell me, have you completed your study in Hindi medium or like Bengali medium?
Hindi medium,
Hindi.
class
So
12.
there is okay 1 to 12.
Yeah, 1 to 12 I completed in Hindi version. Then after I switched myself, only graduation I can say in
Mm.
English version. Then after I left my study for 10 years because after getting marriage I left whole study, entire study I left. I used to only teach my kids and otherwise I
Okay,
didn't do anything for myself. Now just
okay,
8 to 9 months now
mm.
I'm working on my communication skill. So that's
Okay.
going on. So tell
And
me
then
about your journey. How did, I mean, since when have you been learning English language?
okay, I would like to share about my journey. Actually, I have completed my 1 to 12 also in Hindi medium from Bihar, and I have completed my UC from English medium. That was good college. That was private, and uh, you know, actually, when I was there, then at that times I was not able to speak. And after coming in Pondicherry, like here is language barrier. Suppose that you will go outside, then you can not connect to people's like Hindi. There is not a people who speak Hindi. So at that times I was facing how I will connect to people without English. So at that times I was know little bit about how to communicate people and how I can talk, but not like this. So from there, from going there, I have started to use Joe Stock. I think you know about Joe Stocks. So I was using that and I improved. But still I'm facing when I go to in front of a patient, then at that times when I explaining anything like about any project or anything. So at that time sometimes I face nervous or like fumble also. So yeah, it is my journey. So currently I'm working for that.
Yeah, you will be success if you are stick with your goal and every
Mm,
day you just try to speak. Maybe just create a imaginary imagination that someone is
mm,
in front of me and now I'm talking. Okay, so this thing will help you to improve yourself, right? Some,
yes,
yeah,
I do these kinds of activities. Sometimes I open my camera, mobile, and I record myself about any topics, random topics. So I do that kind of activities. But first time I'm talking to you like this. So still a little bit we can say I'm facing nervous because I have lots of word in my mind, but that word is not coming right now.
yeah, it will
So
take time, just
I
be
mean,
patient. and try to speak every single day. It will take time, and just if you are sometime you will, maybe you will think that someone is better than me, someone very someone
No, no.
they speak
Yes.
slowly. So just
Yes.
everyone, has different type of quality. Someone
Mm.
has maybe someone speak very fast and someone speak very slow. It's a depend on person,
Mm.
right?
Yes. Yes, I see one things. Then I was, still I'm sometimes I'm facing these things. If I will speak wrong, this sentence is sometimes everybody might, everybody face this thing. If I will speak wrong, then what we will think? Who is in front of me?
No, no, no,
So
don't worry. We make mistake even Hindi while speaking in Hindi. Have you
yes,
noticed?
I noticed that.
Yeah. So while speaking English, why we are feel that now I'm making mistake? Even you watch my video, I made mistake a lot, but still I have posted those video because it is my
Mm.
learning process. I'm learning. Definitely, the people who try to do something, they make mistake. Proof. I mean, making mistake. That's proof that you are working. You are doing something. Right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I think your internet is not working.
Yeah,
Your internet is slow. Mm.
I don't know what happened.
Because I have connected to Ethernet, so
Yeah.
that is working
So
fast.
yeah, yeah. So I was saying to you, sorry, I was telling to you that making mistakes are proof that you are working on your language. So that's, don't afraid of making mistake. When you feel that now I'm making mistake, that things feel you underconfident. So just speak with flow. That whatever I speak, just keep in your mind that whatever
Mm.
come in my mind, I just try to speak. Okay, then
Yes.
hesitation will be definitely vanished.
Mm, yes,
Yeah,
I sure I will do that. Okay. Okay,
because
ma'am.
I am
Actually,
also go.
mm,
Yeah, I can say that sometimes I feel when someone is better than me, and when I come across that type of person, I even
mm,
I know everything, but still I make mistake. That is my problem. But I know this is my learning phase. Definitely I make mistake.
this yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is lack of fun, ma'am. Actually, I have a lunch time this time. I have to go to Mesh,
Okay.
so it's your, if you have a time, sure. I will give this request, and I would like to connect again.
Surely, surely. I would love
Okay.
to connect again. So
Okay. Okay.
definitely it was a nice conversation with you. Thank you so much
Okay.
for reaching
Okay.
out and showing up.
Thank.
So thank you
Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to connect. Okay,
It's
thank
my
you.